Dear students, welcome to today's class. Today I am going to explain a very few problems which were given recently completed JEE mains examinations. Okay, so without wasting your valuable time, let us start our class today. Right. So here it is given if A is equal to sigma n runs from 1 to infinity 1 upon 3 plus minus 1 whole power n whole to the power of n, and B is given sigma n runs from 1 to infinity minus 1 whole power n upon 3 plus minus 1 power n whole to the power of n, then find the value of A upon B. Right, options are also readily available. Right. If you see that by seeing this problem, everybody will get tension. Sir, what this sigma n power infinity, that is also like this, what is this, sir? So don't get any tension or any worry. Okay, first you start the problem. You know that how to open sigma notation. So wherever n is there, first you start, put 1, next put 2, next put 3. See what happens. Then afterwards we will think. So first think about the next step. Don't about the answer. Don't think about the final answer. Think about the first step. Here what is the first step? Now here I am taking A is equal to, okay, wherever n is there, first start with 1. Start with 1 by. So I will directly calculate here. So wherever n is equal to 1, substitute 1 here. If you substitute n is equal to 1 here. So this is a 3 minus 1, 2. So that is equal to 1 by 2. First term. Put n is equal to 2. If you substitute 2 here, it will become positive. 3 plus 1, 4. So this is equal to plus 1 by 4 square. Okay, now substitute n is equal to 3. If you substitute n is equal to 3 here, it will become negative, and it will become again 2, 1 by 2 whole cube. So here 1, 2, 3 you are substituting top. Next what you observe? What you observe? If you substitute n is equal to 4 minus 1 whole to the power of 4, it will become plus 3 plus 1, 4, 4 to the power of 4 plus so on infinity. It is so on infinity. Okay, very nice, very nice. Up to that everybody can do. So up to here nothing is there. Then what you have to think? What you have to think? Think here. Here only you have to think in a creative way and a logical way. You have to think. Then what I will do? Shall I rearrange the terms here? 1 by 2, 1 by 2 cube, 1 by 2 to the power of 5. All those things are not there. Here also 1 by 4 square, 1 by 4 power 4, next 1 by 4 power 6, next 1 by 4 to the power of 8, like that, no? So let us rearrange the terms. That means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cube, 1 by 2 to the power of 5, so on, infinity, plus all 4 terms, 1 by 4 square plus 1 by 4 power 4 plus 1 by 4 power 6 plus so on, infinity. Just I rearrange the term. So anybody can say this. Anybody can say this. Even a small children also can do that. This is an, even 10th class students also can do this. So this is an infinite geometric progression with the first term 1 by 2 and the common ratio 1 by 2 square. See here 1 by 2 square, 1 by 2 square, common ratio. Okay, na? And 1 by 2 square means 1 by 4, it lies between minus 1 and plus 1. That's why it is an infinite geometric progression. You know that infinite geometric progression, sum to infinity term is A by 1 minus R. A means 1 by 2 by 1 minus R. 1 by R means 1 by 4. So this your A value plus, okay, I will do that first. So this is equal to 1 by 2 upon 1 minus 1 by 4. This is equal to 3 by 4. So this is 2 1s are 2, 2 this are cancelled. This is equal to 2 by 3. Understand? So this value you got it 2 by 3. Now coming to here, this is also an infinite geometric progression with the first term 1 by 4 square by 1 minus. Common ratio is 1 by 4 square, that is equal to 1 by 4 square. This is equal to 1 by 16 by 1 by 16, that is equal to 15 by 16. 16 get cancelled. So this is equal to 1 by 15. The second factors are 1 by 15. So here you will get LCM is equal to 15. So here 5 will come, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So, what is your A value? 11 upon 15. 11 upon 15. Like that, find the value of B also. Okay. So, I am now finding the value of B. Now, take B. So, B is equal to here sigma n runs from 1 to infinity minus 1 whole power n by 3 plus minus 1 whole power n whole power n. Okay, na? Same just like A. How we are doing A, do this also. Put B is equal to, first you put 1. 1 if you substitute, what happens here? You will get here minus 1 by, if you substitute here 1, minus will come. So, this is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. Plus, if you substitute 2, it will become positive. So, this positive will become, this is equal to 1 by 4 to the power of 4 square. Okay, now, next if you substitute n is equal to 3, you will get minus 1 by 3 minus 1, 2. 2 cube plus 1 by infinity. Understand? So, if you observe here, just like it is just like a previous problem, here 1 by 4 square, 1 by 4 power 4, put it in a bracket. So, this is equal to 1 by 4 square, 1 by 4 power 4, so on infinity. Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 cube, take minus common outside, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cube plus so on infinity. This value already you found. This value you got, this is a 1 by 15 you got. This value already you got. So, this is equal to 2 by 3. LCM is 15. So, this is 1 minus 10. This is minus 9 by 15. This is a B value. Now, coming to your A by B. So, your A value is nothing but how much? 11 by 15 you got. Your B value is 9 by 15. 15 will cancel, 11 upon 9. So, option D is your right answer. That means, if you do the calculation for A, calculation for B will come automatically. Okay, na? So, very easy problem. Even I think that even a 10th class students also can do such type of problem. So, very easy one. I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to second problem. If 40C0 plus 41C1 plus 42C2 so on for 60C20 is equal to n by m times 60C20, then the value of n plus m is, that means m value you have to find out there. So, observe the left hand side part of that equation. Here 40, 41, 42, 43, so on 60. Those are also different. Here see the suffixes 0, 1, 2, so on 20. They are also different. Okay. So, whenever if you get this problem, this type of problem, immediately you have to remember one beautiful formula in the permutations and combinations, that is NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to n plus 1 CR. NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to n plus 1 CR. Such a type of one formula is there that you have to remember. Right. So, here n both should be same. N both should be same. Then you will get n plus 1 R minus 1. R minus 1. Whichever is, these two should be consecutive. Of course, consecutive, whichever is a bigger one, that value come. Now, coming to here, is there any consecutive numbers are here? So, here 40, 41, 42, 43, 60 is there. Is there any consecutive numbers are there? No, sir. But you can make consecutive like that. Remember the first, see the first term. This is a 40C0. What is the value of 40C0? 1. 40C0 and 41C0 is also same. 41C0 and 40C0 both are values are 1. Next one is 41C1, 42C2 plus so on 60C20. Okay, na? So, if you combine these two, what you will get? 42C, whichever may be the bigger one. Again, if you combine like this, 43C, bigger one, 2. Like that, if you go on, so up to here, what will be there here? So, before that, if you goes on doing like that, so here you will get 60. Next you will get, if you go on doing, so you will get there, so last term will be there. So whatever will be that, you will get 61. Here 60C, some 19 will come, so you will get 61C20, that is equal to n by m times 60C20. So understand? So what will be the before term? What will be the before term here? If you go on writing here, you will get 60. 60 you will get here, 60C19. If you combine these two, 61C20 you will get. Okay, na? So now expand this formula. So this is equal to 61 factorial by 61 minus 20. So this is a 41 factorial into 20 factorial is equal to n by m. So this is 60 factorial by 60 minus 20 40 factorial into 20 factorial. Okay, now, right, you can cancel 20 factorial here. So here 60 factorial means here you will get 61. Here 40 factorial means you will get 41. So therefore, on the whole, n by m you will get 61 by 41. So actually speaking, you can take n is equal to 61, m is equal to 41, n plus m is equal to 102. So you may ask one doubt, sir, how can it will be equals or s? N value is 61 with some constant 61k, m value is 41k. So, but here the answers are given without k. Actually 102k you have to get, but let us take k is equal to 1. Therefore, n plus m is equal to 102. So, very, very easy problem. Option B is your right answer. The only thing what you have to remember is here 40C0, make it as 41C0 and apply the formula. It goes on. The last term should be, whatever will be that n plus 1, highest one is n plus 1 you are getting. N. So, here also 60, no, definitely you have to get 61, highest is 20, here 19 will come 20. So, if you do the problem, the calculation will very, very easy. Okay, I hope that you understand this solution. So, let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to next problem. So, here the problem is, if p plus q is equal to 3, p power 4 plus q power 4 is equal to 369, then 1 by p plus 1 by q whole power minus 2 is. Whenever such type of problems are given, students, they think immediately that we have to find out p value, q value. There are two equations are given, two unknowns, therefore two equations are given. We have to find out p value, q value. But remember that some problems there is no need of finding p value, q value separately. Why? See the problem, what you have to find out. See here what you have to find out, 1 by p plus 1 by q whole power minus 2. So here what is the LCM? So this is a p plus q upon p cube whole power minus 2. What is p plus q value? It is given 3. 3 upon p by q whole power minus 2. So this is nothing but p by q by 3 whole square. That means whole power minus 2, I will take m plus 2. That means you have to upside down that. So this is equal to pq square by 9. Understand this? Understand this step? That means if you got p values, q values separately, you can substitute here p into q you done. Even though if you don't find out the p value, q value separately, if you are able to find out pq value, p into q value, the problem is over. Okay, na? So remember that. So our aim is to find out the value of p into q or p or q separately. Let us see that how you will get by seeing the equations, right? By anybody can say, first generally any student can take the first value here. The second equation only we will take. So that is equal to p square q square. P square whole square. Q square whole square is equal to 369. So this is a square plus b square formula. A square plus b square formula, a plus b whole square minus 2ab. That is a plus b whole square minus 2ab is equal to 369. Again p square plus q square. This is p plus q whole square minus 2pq whole square minus 2 times p square q square is equal to 369. P plus q value already given 3 square 9. 9 minus 2pq whole square minus 2pq square is equal to 369. So definitely you will get a quadratic equation in the form of PQ. So let us wherever for our convenience, wherever PQ is there, let us put T or X, whatever may be that you can take. So let us take it as a T. So now this will become 9 minus 2T whole square is equal to 9 minus 2T whole square is equal to minus 2. This is PQ value is how much? T minus 2T square is equal to 369. Very nice. Now A minus B whole square. So this is equal to 81 minus 2 2s are 4, 4 9s are 3060 plus this is equal to 4T square minus 2T square. This is 369. Okay now. So 4T square minus 2T square is equal to 2T square minus 3060. Bring 369 to the left hand side. So this is equal to 369 minus 81. So this is equal to 8. This is equal to 16, 8. So this is 2. 288 is equal to 0. Okay now. So if you take this side, you will get minus here. Okay now, right. 2 minus 36 to 88, all are multiples of 2, you can divide with 2. So this is equal to T square minus 18T minus 144 is equal to 0. T square minus 18T minus 144 is equal to 0. You got a quadratic equation in T. Okay na? Now solve that quadratic equation. You will get T values. Your T is nothing but PQ. Substitute there, we will get the answer. See here, let us factorize this. You will get easy factors as a T plus 6 into you can do T minus T plus 6 minus T minus 24 is equal to see here minus 18, 6 minus 24 are minus 144. Right, you will get that. So your T is equal to either minus 6 or 24. Okay now, what is our T value means? PQ is equal to minus 6 or 24. Now coming to our answer is PQ square by 9. That means PQ square by 9. Let us take PQ is equal to minus 6. That is minus 6 whole square by 9. That is 36 by 9. This is equal to 4. One of the 4 answer we got. Let us take PQ is equal to 24. That means 24 square by 9. So this is equal to 24 by 3 whole square. 3 8s are 8 square, 8 8s are 64. So your answer is either 8 or 64, but 64 it is not there. So your answer is 4. 4 we got the answer. So very, very easy problem. From this problem, what we have to learn means whenever such problems are given, so first what you have to find out? You have to simplify that value. The simplification value is PQ whole square by 9. So in this problem, there is no need of finding separately PQ. Generally students, what they will do now, after getting PQ is equal to minus 6, again they will take this equation, P plus Q is equal to 3. But that means if you didn't simplify this, generally students, they will do that only. So P plus Q is equal to 3, therefore Q is equal to P. Q is equal to minus 6 by P is equal to 3, and they start doing the quadratic equation, and the P value they will get 2 values, and again they will get the Q values. Like that rupture they will do. Okay now, the problem will get lengthy. Okay, so don't do that. So first whatever may be the given value, you simplify that. So that means if you find out PQ, if you find out, that is enough. Okay, so I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to fourth problem. So this is a problem of doing application of differentiation. Okay now, right. See here, the side length of a cuboids are 2x, 4x and 5x. there is a closed hemisphere of radius r such that the sum of the surface areas of cuboid and hemisphere is constant. Find the ratio of x and r such that the sum of the volumes is maximum. On the whole, so by seeing all these problems, don't get any tension or anything, just try to understand. On the whole, here there are two items are there. The first item is cuboid. Yes, the first item is cuboid, right? So it is given 2x, 4x, 5x means generally we will take the order. This is a length 2x, 4x, 5x, length, breadth, height, generally we will take. Afterwards, there is a closed hemisphere of radius r. There is an hemisphere of closed, he is saying closed, that means top is also closed. Okay, now its radius is equal to r, right? Its radius is r. Now, such that the sum of the surface areas of cuboid and hemisphere. What is the surface area means here? Total surface area you have to take. What is the surface area of the cuboid? 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. What is the surface area of the hemisphere? So this is equal to 3 pi r square. For total sphere it is 4 pi r square. For hemisphere 2 pi r square, but he is saying closed. Closed means top also it will be counted, that is pi r square. On the whole 3 pi r square. Now what is the sum of the surface areas? That means 2 into length into breadth. So 2 fours are 8x square plus 4x into 5x, that is equal to 20x square. 2 into 5, 10x square. So this is the surface area of the cuboid. And what is the surface area of the hemisphere? This is equal to 3 pi r square. 3 pi r square. He is saying it is constant. Let us take some constant k. So the surface area of the cuboid and surface area of the sum of the surface areas of the cuboid and the hemisphere is a constant. So let us simplify this. So this is a 20 into 20 plus 10, 30, 38, 76. So this is equal to 76 x square plus 3 pi r square is equal to constant. You call it as some equation number 1. Okay, now general put it like. Now coming to the next step. So here such that sum of the volumes is maximum. So it is our function, maximize function. What is our maximize function? V is equal to what is the volume of the cuboid? V is equal to LBH. What is the volume of the hemisphere? So this is equal to 2/3 pi r cube. 2/3 pi r cube. For total volume of the hemisphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Hemisphere means 2/3 pi r cube. That means length into breadth into height. So length into breadth into length is equal to how much? 2x into 4x into 5x plus 2/3 pi r cube. 2/3 pi r cube. Understand here? So this is equal to 40 x cube plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. So this is your maximize function. This function you have to maximize it. So here x is a variable, r is also variable. So here the problem begins. Generally while doing this type of problems, we have to make two variables into a single variable. That means in place of x, we will convert it into r. Otherwise in place of r, we will convert it into x. That means total problem should be either in x or in r. Here the problem is arise. Why? Because observe here 36x square plus 3 pi r square is equal to k. Is it possible to write x value in terms of r and substituting here and getting a very big expression? For that you have to maximize. You have to maximize here. That means you have to find out the derivative. So finding the derivative and again putting in second derivative is a very, very difficult thing. So here you have to think in a logical way. The thing is, first what you have to find out here? Derivative. So find the derivative. So here dv is equal to, here what is the derivative you will get? X cube derivative is how much? 3x square. Take the d value here. x cube is 3x square, that means 120x square. Again dx you have to write down. You are taking the derivative of x here. X is a variable here, dx. Plus here if it is 3 r cube means 3r square, 3 will get cancelled. 2 pi r square, and it is dr. That means if you know this value 120x square dx plus 2 pi r square dr, the problem will be over. Now from where this value you will get? So now take the dr of this value. You will get easily. Okay, now what is the dr of this value? So here you see here 2s are 14, 152x and dx plus, so this is equal to how much? 6 pi r dr is equal to 0. From this, can we take this 152x dx and 6 pi r? This should be equal to 0. For maximize and minimize, we will what to go? The first derivative should be equal to 0. So here 76x square. If you take a x square derivative is a 2x. 2x means 152x dx, and here 6 pi r dr. So here can I take any more cancellation? We will do it and we will continue the solution. So this is the maximize function. We got 120x square dx plus 2 pi r square dr is equal to 0. Okay now, right. So ultimately what is our aim? To find the ratio of r by x or x by r, whatever may be that, right. The first thing from this, can I write down dx value as minus 6 pi r dr by 152x. From this dx value is minus 6 pi r dr upon 152x. Wherever dx is there, substitute here 120x square. What is the dx? 6 pi r dr by 152x plus 2 pi r square dr is equal to 0. So if you solve this, you will get your r value, x value, not separately, ratio you will get. See here, if you observe, dr will get cancelled here. Here you can cancel dr will go, and 1x will go, and pi r, 1 pi r also will go. If you get cancelled pi r, here also pi r will go. Again cancellations, if you do this, 2 cancellation, so 2 60s are, so 2 7s are, 2 6 are. Again 2 30s are, 2 38s are, again 2 15s are, 2 19s are, you will get cancelled. Here 2 and minus 3 you can cancel. So ultimately, so this is equal to minus 45 by 19, minus 45 by 19, x value you will get here, plus here 1 r, here r square, r value you will get is equal to 0, minus 45 by 19x plus r, 15 3s are minus 45, here down 19x plus r is equal to 0. So this is equal to minus 45 by 19x is equal to minus r, xx will get cancelled. So your x by r value is equal to 19 by 45. Otherwise r by x, whatever be that, the problem is not clear. So the ratio of x and r is 19:45. Otherwise the ratio of r and x is 45:19. So very easy problem. This is the first thing what you have to remember is here. No need of finding separately x value, r value here, x value, r value here. Here direct the logical thinking is first sum of the surface areas is given, no. So if you take the d value, automatically the problem will come. Okay, na? So very easy problem this is. So here onwards, if you do this type of problems, you think like this way. Okay, I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. So dear students, welcome to the next problem. So the problem is from integration. If g of x is equal to integral of 1 upon x times root of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x dx, g of 1 is equal to 0, then the value of g of 1 upon 2 is a very easy problem. This is a first to take this problem, g of x is equal to. So generally in this type of problem, so many we will do. So whenever it is a root of numerator by denominator is there, so we will make that root into denominator. Okay, right. For that what we will do, we will multiply the numerator and denominator with 1 minus x, 1 minus x, 1 minus x. Here 1 minus x whole square, root will go 1 plus x into 1 minus x, 1 minus x square. Ultimately, this is a 1 minus x by under root of 1 minus x square dx. This is the first step direct you have to do. Afterwards, what we will do, we will separate. So this is a 1 minus x, no? So here x times root of 1 minus x square, separate it. So this is equal to 1 by x times root of 1 minus x square dx minus integral. So here xx will get cancelled, 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx. Okay, na? Very nice. So this is equal to sine inverse of x. Anybody can say. But what about this? So to do this problem, so I will rearrange the here. What is the derivative of 1 minus x square here? What the derivative of 1 minus x square is? Minus 2x. Here minus 2x I will write it as I am rearranging the term. 1 minus x square derivative is minus 2x by root of 1 minus x square dx. For this, what I have to do to make it into compensation, here you have to write down x square, here I have to write down minus 1 by 2. So this is sine inverse of x. Forget about this plus c, right? Observe here, any changes, what are the changes I have made it? 1 minus x square derivative is minus 2x. I wrote minus 2x in the numerator. Right here, xx will get cancelled, your x remains here, minus minus plus, here 2 is there, 2 also get cancelled. Why it means? For to make into substitution method. So here put 1 minus x square is equal to t square. 1 minus x square is equal to t square. So this is a minus 2x dx is equal to 2t dt. Okay, now your problem will change into minus 1 by 2. Here minus 1 by 2 is there. Minus 2x dx value is 2t dt upon what is our x square value is? X square value is 1 minus t square, of course 1 minus t square root of 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square value is t square, root of t square means t, minus sine inverse of x plus c. So here 2 will get cancelled, tt is also get cancelled, minus integral of 1 minus t square dt, sine inverse of x plus c. So this is equal to integral of 1 by 1 square minus x square, integral of 1 by a square minus x square, integral of 1 by a square minus x square formula 1 by 2a into log of a minus x by a plus x. So this you will get 1 by 2 log of, that means ln of this is a 1 minus t by 1 plus t minus sine inverse of x plus c. So now I will rearrange the terms, that is a 1 minus t value is equal to how much? T value. Just we have substituted, we have converted the problem into t, but our actual problem should be dx. X variable is x here. So what is our t value? Square root of 1 minus x square by 1 plus square root of 1 minus x square minus sine inverse of x plus c. So this is your integral of the given function. Afterwards, everything is 0. So everything is known. To find the constant of integration, it is given g of 1 is equal to 0. That means whenever you substituted x is equal to 1, total this expression value is 0. Okay, now so substitute that and get the value of c. After getting c, and again g of 1 by 2. So wherever x is there, substitute 1 by 2, that will be our answer. Here g of x is equal to, we got minus 1 by 2 ln of 1 minus root of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square minus sine inverse of x plus c. So to find the constant of integration, we given that x g of 1 is equal to 0. That means that 0 is equal to, wherever x is equal, there put 1. If you substitute 1 here, 1 minus 1 0, total in the numerator you will get 1 minus 1 square, that means 0. Here denominator also you will get 1 by 1 log 1 0. So total this value is 0, that is equal to minus sine inverse of 1 plus c, that is equal to minus, this is a pi by 2 plus c. So your c value is plus pi by 2. C value is pi by 2. Now, what is your g of x value? So, g of x value is equal to 1 by 2 ln of 1 minus root of 1 minus x square upon 1 plus root of 1 minus x square minus sin inverse of x plus pi by 2. So, this is your final ultimate. But we have to find out g of 1 by 2. So, that means wherever x is there, now substitute 1 by 2. So, here 1 by 2, 1 by 2, sin inverse of 1 by 2. Sin inverse of 1 by 2 means sin 30. So, minus sin 30 plus pi by 2. So, if you go on calculation, so here minus 30 plus 90 minus 60. So, this if you calculate this, you will get the final answer as pi by 3 plus ln of 2 minus root 3. So, that is there you will get 60, that is pi by 3 plus if you substitute here x is equal to 1 by 2 you substitute here, somewhere you will get upside down, you will make that rationalize, you will do 2 minus root 3 you will get. So, this is your final answer. Okay. So, dear students, these 5 problems whatever I explained, so I think you understand very well, and with few more problems in the tomorrow's class I will stand before you. So, until then, all the best.